Practice makes a man perfect. Hello students, welcome to my channel Easy English. Today we are going to practice some questions on articles. In our previous class we have discussed about the concept of articles and the uses of articles. Now let's concentrate on the questions and answers on articles. So let's jump into it. In this video we are going to cover 15 questions. After each question I will tell the answer. You can pause the video while answering the questions. Complete the following sentences by filling A, an or D where it may be suitable. Question number 1. Copper is dash useful metal. Look at the word useful. The first letter is U. It pronouncing a consonant sound. Therefore, we will use the article A. So, the answer will be like this. Copper is a useful metal. Question number 2. He is not dash honorable man. Similarly, we will analyze the word honorable. Here, the first letter is H. Even if it is a consonant letter, but it sounds like a vowel. We pronounce it like a vowel. So, we will use the article an. The answer is, he is not an honorable man. Question number 3. Varanasi is dash holy city. The word is holy and it produces a consonant sound. Therefore, we will use the article A. Varanasi is a holy city. Question number 4. The world is dash happy place. Here the answer is A. The world is a happy place. Question number 5. He returned after dash hour. As we know, H is a consonant, but it pronounced like a vowel. It produces a vowel sound. So, we will use the article an. He returned after an hour. Sri Lanka is dash island. Students, don't mispronounce the word island. It is island. The correct pronunciation is island, not island. Okay? So, the answer is an. Sri Lanka is an island. Question number 7. Let us discuss dash matter seriously. Here, the sentence pointed toward a particular matter which need to be discussed. Okay? They are indicating a particular matter which need to be discussed. So, in case of particularity, we will use the article the. So, the answer is the. Let us discuss the matter seriously. Question number 8. John got dash best friend. John got a best friend. Simple. Question number 9. He is dash honor to this profession. So here, he is an honor to this profession. As we know, honor, our, honorable, these are the words which will take the article an as it pronouncing a vowel sound. Question number 10. Which is dash longest river of India? Here we are talking about the longest river of India. In case of longest river, and that is particular, in case we will use the article the. Which is the longest river of India? Question number 11. French is dash easy language. Here we will use the article an. French is an easy language. Now, question number 12. He wants to be dash engineer. We will use the article an. He wants to be an engineer. As we know, E is a vowel and also it produces a vowel sound. Question number 13. Someone call dash police. Here, see the word police. Here, police is not a particular. Police is not a singular noun. Police is plural noun. Okay? So, we will use the article the. Someone call the police. Yes, it is a plural noun, but it indicating a particular group of people, which is police. If we say police, then we are saying a group of organization or group of people. Getting? The answer will be the. Someone call the police. Now, next question. Someone call dash policeman. So here, when we are saying policeman, and in this case, we will use the article a. Someone call a policeman. Question number 15. This is best Indian restaurant in the country. So here we are talking about the best Indian restaurant. When we are indicating towards a particular object or particular thing, in this case we will use the article the.